Hey, quick question. What if I told you that your compass could one day point south instead of north? No, not because you're holding it upside down, because the Earth itself is acting weird. Right now, as in while you're watching this, our planet's magnetic field is shifting, and not in a calm, slow way. Scientists say it's changing faster than we ever thought possible. But what does that actually mean? Is the Earth about to flip upside down? Are our phones going to freak out? Will birds get lost and whales beach themselves? Let us talk about Earth's invisible force field and why it might be going a little off the rails. So, first things first. What are we even talking about? The Earth's magnetic field is this invisible shield generated by the movement of molten iron in the outer core. Basically, the superhot metallic glue swirling around 3,000 kilometers beneath our feet. It's like a gigantic planetary dynamo. And it's crucial, because without this magnetic field, we'd be in trouble. It protects us from solar radiation, deflects dangerous cosmic particles, and allows navigation. From ancient explorers with compasses to modern airplanes and satellites. Basically, it's the Earth's natural Wi-Fi password for keeping everything functioning. Now here's where it gets weird. Scientists have been tracking the North Magnetic Pole for over a century, and for the most part, it behaved like your slightly eccentric grandpa. Predictable, slow-moving, a bit grumpy. But lately, as Grandpa's got rollerblades on, the magnetic north has been speeding up, moving from northern Canada towards Siberia at almost 55 kilometers per year. That's fast, considering it used to crawl at about 15 kilometers per year back in the 20th century. This isn't just a random wobble. It's a clear acceleration. We don't fully understand why. There are a few theories. One suggests that plumes of molten iron in the Earth's core are changing direction, like unpredictable lava rivers beneath the crust. Another points to a weakening of the overall magnetic field, which could mean we're heading toward a full magnetic reversal, where north becomes south and vice versa. Now that sounds dramatic, right? Like the planet spinning upside down or something? Well, don't panic yet. Magnetic reversals have happened dozens of times in Earth's history. The last one, about 780,000 years ago, they're not instant flips. They take hundreds to thousands of years, like a very slow-motion pancake. Okay, but what would happen if the field keeps weakening or flips? Here's what won't happen. The Earth won't suddenly reverse rotation. Gravity won't fail. You won't wake up floating in your room. But here's what might happen. Satellites could become more vulnerable to radiation. Navigation systems might need recalibration. Animals that rely on magnetism, like migratory birds and sea turtles, could get confused. And yes, we could see more auroras, even at the equator. The biggest concern, our tech. Satellites, power grids, communication systems, they all depend on magnetic shielding. And if that field weakens too much, space weather could do real damage. Think solar flares frying your phone's GPS or causing massive blackouts. That's not sci-fi. That's physics. If you want a current example of how funky Earth's magnetism can get, look no further than the South Atlantic Anomaly. This is a region over South America and the South Atlantic Ocean, where the magnetic field is significantly weaker than anywhere else. Satellites passing through it often report glitches, and astronauts aboard the ISS have to deal with increased radiation while flying over it. Some scientists even call it Earth's magnetic scar. Could it be a sign of a larger shift coming? Maybe. Or maybe the Earth's just got a wonky patch. Either way, it's real and it's being watched closely. The good news, we're not flying blind. Scientists are constantly measuring magnetic field strength, movement, and anomalies using satellites like ESA's SWARM mission, ground-based observatories, and ocean floor data. They regularly update the World Magnetic Model, which is used by GPS systems, nav apps, and even the US military. In fact, in 2019, the magnetic north moved so fast that scientists had to do an emergency update to the model, 2 years ahead of schedule. That's how fast things are changing. So is the Earth's magnetic field collapsing? Not yet. Is it behaving strangely? Absolutely. But that's what makes science exciting. We're witnessing our planet in action. We're used to thinking of Earth as solid and stable. But beneath our feet, there's a swirling, shifting core that is constantly reshaping how we experience the world. From GPS to animal migration to those mysterious northern lights. And the best part, we're just starting to understand it. So next time you pull out your compass, or your phone's map. Take a second to appreciate the chaotic, beautiful force keeping it all on track, or at least mostly on track.